As an adult Mentawai man who has the responsibility of being a silogui, a person who is considered holy. A silogui must be owned and carried when going to and from the fields. Especially when the Mentawai people are holding a hunting tradition at every punan or traditional party. The Mentawai people's silogui consists of arrows, where the type of arrow is adapted to the animal to be hunted. To hunt monkeys, silogui is used, which is made from ribbing stems, and has been smeared with Mentawai arrow poison. Arrow shafts are made from oc, a type of forest manau. Meanwhile, some arrowheads are made from palm tree stems or ribbing called swarat. Usually tuning arrowheads are used to hunt wild boar and deer. Meanwhile, the place where arrows are stored is called bukbuk. Bukbuk is made from bamboo and covered with sago fronds so it doesn't break easily. The rope for the bukbuk is made from woven coconut fiber. This is called robai. Meanwhile, the bow or royuro is made from enanu or ribbing stems. Then, so that the animal being hunted dies immediately, each arrow will be smeared with poison. Arrow poison is made from plant material found in the forest. To make it requires abstinence, the maker even has to fast. According to local people, poison makers or compounders must concentrate. That's why it is recommended to fast, not eating and not drinking, and accompanied by Mentawai singing. In fact, not only hunters are required to fast, hunters also have to fast before hunting. This must not be violated, because it is feared that something undesirable will happen during hunting. When this arrow is stuck in the prey, the arrowhead will break inside the body. At that time, the poison will react in the body of the hunted animal. Generally, poison is made from cayenne and tuba concoctions, as well as other plants that live in the Mentawai forests. After the poison is applied to the arrow is then dried in the sun until dry, then smeared again and dried in the sun again after it has been processed many times. The more often this is done, the higher the poison level at the tip of the arrow. At most, half an hour of reaction in the animal's body and the prey will die. Usually for the Mentawai people, the skulls they hunt are mounted or hung on the abok manang, which is a place to hang and display the skulls of hunted animals, where the animal skulls are placed facing outside the house. The more skulls on display are a source of pride for the tribe.